everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today we're going to be talking about class lists or checklists. Class lists can be used for tracking data relating to individuals within a class. For example, attendance, who's completed their homework, how everyone's been doing on their tests, etc. This can be useful when it comes to evaluating how a learner is doing in school and where they might need some support. Typically, you'll have the student names down the left-hand side and the dates along the top. This template is one of the many available on the Twinkl website and is editable. This means you can adjust it to make it most relevant to you, your class, and the data that you want to track. A top tip for using class lists like this is to establish a very simple key that you're going to stick to. For example, ticking a box if a student is present and putting a dash in it if they aren't. There are plenty of different ways to arrange class lists though, like for grouping pupils, tracking class birthdays, intervention groups, and assessments. You can also use different themed checklists to stay consistent with the topic you're teaching. For example, subjects like music, English, and geography could have their own so that at a glance you would know which subject you are looking at. That's all for now, but I'm going to leave a list in the description below of the various class list templates that Twinkl has to offer. Make sure you check them out if you think that would be helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. There are plenty of creative ways to get organised to learn, and some great resources on the Twinkl website to help learners do it, so don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.